Inagalyang nongtrei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kilawan ban pynlong ka sit-in demonstration ha Madan Malki. Kumba arpsat ngot kentup iki nongtrei bat kibahing jongki kila do ya ka jingim na ka daw bakim shem la yot tulop la life way bnai. Kim shem la ban lek pha sumar ni shem dawai namar bakim dan pisa. Habakran sikilat pathai kubur nakalyang usenora John Areng President ka Non-Gazette Employees Association GHADC tura ulapan pau bagi kuat men persngau sya sarkar bat sya barok kinong song snong gajela ya ka jingsha e benjongki ka jingbom yo tulap life way benai kala bu jing e ki bat ya ki bahieng hasam ki bapang basitom bat hado banda du no ya ka jingem namar bakim la ban pha suma Long Shushu, Bakila Dapan Ike, Ejahar, Haka High Court, Human Rights Commission, Shushu Lay Tu, Badungi Kon Jangibe Tray Langru, Kila Haban E no Jing Puli Nakada, Jingbam La, Ban Siri, a bicycle, but Kumta Terter. Ula Angru, Bakani Jingbam La, Ban Siu to Lopyaki, Kalong Nakadao, Jingbam Dun, Ka Finance Rule, Ni Service Rule, Nakanikadao, Kadu MDC, Ubawan Tamai, Rush Tungkam, Klemjing Ken. But kat harumanta don kumba kat news pa saungot kinongtrei ki bahap po ka Non-Gazette Employees Association. Nakalyang jong kaseng Non-Gazette Employees Association ula kerpat ya ka sarkar ban pelat no ya tulop ka jongki knang bakinak ban kumba ki waypat.
We came here just to express our grievances that we have not got our salaries for 31 months, and within these 31 months our beloved friends and our uncle and aunts, they have to lose their life without a proper medical treatment and such things, and moreover this our children, some of them are school dropouts also. So we have done in a proper way, and we have filed a petition in the High Court regarding the Human Rights Commission. Okay, let's see, but we came here to Shillong just to express our grievances in a higher way, like we have done in Tura. Only Tura people came to know that we are suffering from such crisis in economic crisis in GHADC. So we came here to express, let others also know who are staying in Meghalaya. Actually, this is because of we don't have a finance rule and service rule. That's why whenever new MDCs used to come, they make new appointments and brought GHADC to the higher numbers of employees. As per Madan Malki say that GHADC Secretary's statement in High Court, it came to 1,704. Demand is just to release our 31 month salary, so that we can have our rights, so that we can let our children to study properly in time. We have to pay their dues, we have to run our families, and we have to come and go to and fro from office to home. Such things, so that we can, day-to-day life survival. No, we need the money. We need ourselves to strengthen our family. We tried to boycott this election. Yes, obviously we'll do, because even if the new executive member also, they will also start saying that this backlog has been created by the old executive committees, and they will pay starting from where they were started their executive new body. They will start from there. So the thing is that first, before the executive committee has started, they have to pay their all salaries should be cleared before the new ECs come.